Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Chahar and today we will learn about IMG tag or image tag in HTML. The image tag defines an image in HTML page and the IMG tag has two required attributes. One is src and another one is alt. So let's discuss. So let's take an example, copy the code, create new file and paste it. And first save the file. I'm gonna name it image.html and save as type is all type. Alright, now save it. Fine. Now replace link with image and remove this code and start img tag img and the attribute is src. Src is the source of the image which you want to show on the screen. So first we need an image for this at the root location, and yeah, I have an image. Cut it and paste at the root location of your project. So this is the root location, paste here, and now I'm going to copy its name. Alright, fine. Now paste image name in source. Alright, now save it and refresh in the browser or open in the browser. Just double click on it and fine, image is up here, but it's not looking good because its height and width is too much high. So for this we have another two attribute. One is height and another one is width. So height, I'm gonna set it to 300 px for the pixels, and width is equal to let's say 300 pixel. Alright, now save it and refresh the browser. Cool, now image is smaller. Another one attribute we have, that is alt. Let's guess if we misspell the name of the image, then it look like this and it's not looking good. So that's why we use alt attribute. So alt and we can put title here. So my image and refresh. So you can see my image and no box around the image. Alright, now save it, refresh it. Fine, it's look good, and you can change height of it according to your requirements. Alright,